It got better. Of course, like I stated earlier, the bankruptcy dropped off.
Mm-hmm.
Credit score start going up. They stopped looking at me as a problem with my credit score. But now, like I get comments, you scored great. Or
Mm.
you keep up the good work. I see a difference in your balance. Those are all encouraging words that help me to continue on.
I love that. So my next question is, what is different in your life or in your future life that you see happening with your credit?
I hope I will be able to continue to pay cash for what I want. I do feel that whenever I can pay cash, then that's much better for me. I'm not worried. It's the cash is gone now, and the item is paid for, or the event is paid for. Because I'm going from goodbye tension to hello pension soon. So I need to be making these choices wisely. So if I can have the cash to pay for it, I will. But at times I feel if I don't have the cash, I really don't need it.
Okay. How did you feel the first time you got your major result? Let's say, for instance, you saw your 700s for the first time. Do you remember how you felt?
Like this. Freedom, the weight off my shoulder, and most importantly, less worry.
Understood. What was your biggest win that you said you have achieved in as far as credit? I'm gonna say I know what's one of my favorites of yours, but it might be different than yours.
Okay.
But which one is your favorite? And I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. It might be the same or it might be different because you got a lot. You got a lot of wins. I'm telling you, you got a lot. But tell me which one is your favorite.
Throughout the years, I wasn't able to put a lot of money away from my retirement.
Okay.
And that was because of the struggle of keeping life comfortable and keeping up with it and paying everything off. So I can feel at least a little bit of I'm responsible. But after Credit Remedy, I was told, okay, now it's time for you to get this car that you want. And my last car, which was the third one, was kind of acting up. I didn't want to put any more money into it. But then I got the word, I think it's time for you to go into the dealership. Now, it's funny how people perceive you. But perception can be a little deceiving. When I walked into the dealership, I said, I want this car, and this is all I'm paying for it.
Now, who do that?
I did it.
Who says I want this one? And wasn't it a brand new car?
It
that
was
year,
2020, 2021 and 2021. So I said, I want this car, and this is all I'm paying for it. Now, his perception of me was, okay, yeah, whatever. I'm a salesman. I know what you can afford.
Oh.
Hold it. So he had to come back and say, give her what she wants. That credit score did the talking for me. And honey, I got me a 2021 for the first time ever with a well-deserved big red bow on the front that I got for free because normally they $35.
For everything. I want all the bells and whistles when I get my stuff.
On there. And I was able to drive off that lot feeling, wow, it worked.
And how much money did you put down that day?
Not a dime.
Oh.
Not a